Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's start. First, open the Google Play Store and search for What's Remove Plus app. This third-party app is completely free and it also has 10 million plus downloads with 4.3 star rating, so you don't have anything to worry about. Download it and allow all the necessary permissions. Now let's go back to the WhatsApp app. Here you can see my friend has sent me some messages and removed some of them. Now let's open the What's Remove Plus app to see what message she had sent. Here under the deleted section, you will see two messages. These are the deleted messages. Now let's match the time. You can see the deleted messages were sent on 2:27 p.m. And on the What's Removed app, it is saying 14:27 p.m., which is same time. And that's how you can view deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.